Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox this package from Sephora. So the delivery was quite fast because we do have some Sephora stores in Hong Kong. So it took 2 days for the package to arrive. So let's see what did I get from Sephora. So I got this liquid lipsticks from Stila. And I got this mini size retinol plus repeat from Sunday Riley. I also got this foundation in shade number 4 from Benefit. And I got this nude stick with 3 shades. So it's a 3-in-1 nude stick. Comes in a container. And I also got this hair sleeping mask from Sephora. And this is the Dear Dahlia liquid lipstick mini size. Oh, they're so tiny. And then for every purchase you can get 3 samples, so you can choose your samples if you're purchasing them from online. So I chose this vitamin C, and then this lipstick from Makeup Forever, and this one is the Urban Decay's face primer. So this is the sample. For this one, the sample comes with a brush and 3 lip colors. So that is all I got. So I will be testing them very soon, and then I will give my reviews about these products. Thank you for watching. Bye.